Yes,
certainly APP are not on primary. Have you ever heard in a place where you heard that APP was doing primary? APP came just how many weeks ago into Port Harcourt, and all the members of APP are all PDP. If actually they claim that they are APP member, they should tender resignation in PDP. Then we now know that they are truly member of APP. They have not done primary anywhere, and they are doing selection in government house to impose on Rivers people. The chairman, Sonny Wokeko, came on board and said they are going to win 319 war. They are going to win 23 LGA, a party that is barely known by even the candidate that they are imposing in the party, that do not know the logo of the party, will come and win Rivers State. A party that have not won anything in Nigeria, a party that I don't know anywhere in Nigeria. Even the man who registered the APP could not use APP to contest election. He run under PDP. And you come to Rivers State when nobody know you. You go to my community, nobody know about APP, and you now win my war. So actually what he said, the hand of Esau and the voice of Jacob, is applicable to them. Because they are not telling me that there is hand of Esau behind them, that will ever make them to win 319 war when they have not even campaigned. Nobody know their logo in Rivers State. What magic do they want to do that will make them win election when the Labour Party that is everywhere is there? They have already said so. They have agreed. One of the commissioners in one of the local government came on board. He was on air and said now that the governor have endorsed their candidature now, that they can now start. What does that implicate? You are running an election under a APP and a PDP governor is endorsing your list. What does that mean? It shows that actually they are running anti-party. And they are telling me simplify. Simplify is not the name of a political party in Rivers State or in Nigeria. So, you know, the sweet thing that these politicians lies. What they say in the morning is different from what they are saying in the night. So whatever they said is all lies and fallacy. They know what they are saying. They know where they are going to. And so we are insisting that APP should not be part of this election. I'm calling on the research to do the proper thing. Don't allow any politician to rub their name. The average judge should not allow anybody to rub his name in the mud in the name of politics. He should do the right thing. Make sure there is free and fair and credible election. Let there be a level playing ground for all political parties that are participating. We are not begging for adoption. We are only saying we have credible candidates that will win election. And what we are asking the governor to do is to allow us to do a free and fair election. He should not impose candidates on us from any party whatsoever. We are not interested in that. We see that the governor was a gentleman, that we don't do what other governors were doing by imposing candidates on us. And I want to plead with the governor, Mr. Governor Fubara, don't be pushed by desperate politicians that are lying. They know they are not on ground, but they want to do everything possible to grab it. Allow everybody to contest election free and fair. And let's see what will happen. If they are on ground, they will win. If they are not on ground, they will not win. That's my thought, and that's what I stand by. Yeah. What the former governor was saying was to tell the other governor not to create crisis in Rivers State. Don't come and create crisis in Rivers State. Rivers State is in peace. So don't bring crisis. If you bring crisis, I will also bring crisis. That's the simple thing he said. You cannot be in your state and create problem in Rivers State and go and have peace in your own state. I think that's what the former governor was simply saying. But people just trying to be very mischievous. The governor is saying the right thing. I will not allow you to come and set fire in my state and go and have peace in your state. So the governor was pleading with them indirectly, do not come and create problem in Rivers State. Make sure the peace that we are enjoying in Rivers State, that peace should be maintained as a governor. My own point was, if you want to make peace as governor forum, the former governor is your member. The governor is your member. Why can't you call the both of them and talk to them and maintain peace? Because the both of them, I'm not a member of PDP, so I don't have any business with that. Why can't you call the both of them and talk to them before he was a former governor? all of them will be former tomorrow. And so you treat him as your colleague. Call both of them, talk to them, because what we want is peace. And all of them will come on the same page than try to incite violence in the state. And you want to go and rest in your own state. It's not possible now. So that's the problem. Wike is not among the NWC member. So they are just creating crisis for nothing. Go and talk to. They were there when they put congresses. They kept quiet. They finished War Congress. From governorship forum did not say a word. They did local government. Governorship forum did not say a word. It's only state congress that they come up to talk. So to me, they are complacent. To me, they are supposed to be proactive. From the day this thing started, they would have gone to the national chairman and secretary and the NWC and say, see, this is the governor of this state. Allow him to manage the congress of the state. Where we are they? Why do they suddenly woke up when everything has gone? So I'm not in support of them. My support is for peace of River State. And whatever that will bring peace in River State, that is where I'm supporting. One time, sometime, like I said, when politicians do something in the daytime, people who do not understand will go and be questioning what happened in the daytime. Do you know what have transpired before then? Do you know whether they are talking? Do you know whether they have agreed on something? Do you know whether some of these boys that are there are governor boys? So why are people having headache? The governor that the thing is affecting is not talking. He has not been angry. So why are other people getting angry? Why are you taking parado for somebody headache? Eh? The governor should say, they have taken the structure from my hand. Then we will not say, okay, restore the structure to him. But the governor himself have not said so. So, Governor Forum, don't create problem in River State, I beg you. When sometimes politicians say something, you just laugh. The party that have not even tested their popularity in River State, we all of a sudden win 319 war. It's impossible. It's laughable. They have not tested who they are. And like I said, those contesting, the PDP member contesting under APP, do not even know the logo of that party. Not to talk of the women that are in the community. They don't know anything about it. So all of a sudden you will now win everywhere. So if they are saying that the governor is not a member of APP, good and fine. At least the acting chairman of APP, Sonny Wonke is saying that. And he say, I'm ignorant of their party constitution or the way they operate. I don't need to know how they operate. It's what I saw that I'm talking about. I don't need to know how they operate. But what I'm saying is that he has confirmed that the governor is not a member of APP. And the governor will not campaign with them. All the PDP members that we know will not campaign with them because he has confirmed. And when we see them campaigning, we will now know that actually the hand of Israel we're talking about is under APP. So I don't have any business with that. If they choose their candidate in their party secretariat, I won't have a business. But going to government house to pick candidate and impose on us that the only party that have the face of this election is Labour Party in River State. That's what I'm telling you now. It was a glaring picture of everybody. They didn't know when I was there. I have a lot of people that were there. So many people I have that were there that know every information that was there. So it was not a hidden thing. He can lie to the world. I don't care because politician lies. But the real thing is that everybody that was there know that what I'm saying is correct. But you can come on air and lie to the public. It's his business. It's not my business to begin to argue with them whether I was there or I was not there. But he knows. His conscience know. God know. The people that were there know. All of them know that what I'm saying is correct. We have a timetable this gave to us. And once the time is over, and you did not conduct your primary anywhere, anybody can speak.
He said,
I am opposition. And I will pick every of their weak points to tell them that they are not qualified. And that's what I'm doing. I'm not a member of APP that I will keep quiet. I am an opposition party. And since they have faulted the law, I have the right to say, reset. You gave us timetable. On the 5th of September was the last date for whatever we want to do. Everything. We have started campaign. And now you are still nominating people. Primary have ended. Why are you nominating people now? Have you ever seen a little poster of APP anywhere in the whole state.
I have not even seen anyone. But again,
that to tell you that they have not even decided who will be the councillor and who will be the chairman.
Like I said, I have not even seen that of any other.
Labour Party posters, AMBI is everywhere now. They have never conducted any primary. They have never. But I know, like what some of them were telling me, that they are going to force research to accept that they have conducted primary. That research is working under them. That's why I'm begging the man to be careful. They say they will force research, and research will accept that they have conducted primary, and that research must accept them. Which they have not. They have not conducted primary. But they are saying by their position, working in government, that research must do what they want research to do. And don't be surprised that tomorrow, research will go on air and say what Favor said was wrong, that APP have conducted primary. Nobody should be surprised. They will push them into saying that. So research very soon will come and defend them. And then we will not tell the world that what we were saying was correct.